In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change attachment settings in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the attachment options in the Outlook web app, how to enable a helpful sharing warning, how to connect storage accounts, and how to make sure your changes are saved. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft to open your mailbox in the web version of Outlook. This is where the settings we'll adjust are located. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. The labels we're using are consistent even if the interface has slight updates. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen. From there, select Mail to access the mail-related options. These controls let you fine-tune how messages, formatting, and attachments behave in your account. In the Mail area, choose Attachments. This section is dedicated to how files are handled when you send and receive emails. It's a good place to review now and revisit later as your workflow changes. Here, you'll see the option for a Sharing Preferences warning. Turn this on if you want Outlook to alert you when you're about to send a file in a way that could cause access issues for your recipients. For example, when you attach something stored in the cloud, Outlook can warn you if the link's permissions might prevent someone from opening it. Enabling this saves troubleshooting time and helps you avoid the back and forth of permission requests. It's especially useful if you often share documents with people outside your organization. You'll also find the area to add storage accounts. Connecting services like OneDrive or other supported cloud providers lets you attach files directly from those accounts while composing an email. This keeps large messages lighter by sending secure links instead of bulky copies, and it ensures your recipients always have the latest version when you use cloud-hosted files. Only connect services you trust and use regularly, and verify that your organization allows them if you're on a work or school account. When you're done, make sure to click Save. Look for the Save button in the Settings area and confirm that your changes are applied. If you navigate away without saving, your adjustments won't stick. That's it. You've opened Outlook on the web, navigated to Mail, adjusted your attachment preferences, connected storage if needed, and saved your changes.